Hey Groove Designers! Today I'm super excited to show you a brand new update that we have just added here on ClickDesigns, especially for Groove Designer Pro users. It's called the Groove Designer Pro Google Chrome Extension. Yes, you've asked and we listen. So let's get started and I'll show you how to set it up. First, log into your Groove Designer Pro account. You log in through the URL app.groovedesignerpro.com/login. Type in your email and your password and then click on Login. Once you're logged in, click on the Activate Chrome Extension button and then it will open up a new tab. Here you will see Groove Designer Pro and then click on Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. Now that you can see that Groove Designer Pro has been added to your Chrome account or your Chrome browser, all you need to do is click on this icon right here, look for Groove Designer Pro and click on this pin icon to pin it into your extensions. Now that you have it pinned into your extensions, go back to your dashboard and then click on your profile picture, then click on Settings. Here, click on API key and then all you have to do is copy your API key from your Groove Designer Pro account and then paste it into your Groove Designer Pro Chrome extension. I will click on that and then I will click on Do you have an API key? I will paste my API key here and then I will click on Submit. To start using your Groove Designer Pro Chrome extension, just click on the plugin icon and here all your designs will automatically load. You can easily download any design from your Groove Designer Pro account directly to your local drive without even having to log into your Groove Designer Pro account on a separate tab. You can also click on Edit. Once you click on that icon, it will automatically launch a new tab so that it would bring you to the design that you need to edit. Aside from that, you can also see all your bundles right here under your Groove Designer Pro Chrome extension. You can also see all the custom bundles that you have created. If you have Groove Designer Pro Agency, you will also be able to view all the designs made by your team members. All I have to do is click on this Filter by Team tab, and then I will click on the team member that I would like to view the designs of, and then here I can see the design made by team member number 1. You can just repeat the process by selecting a team member and then you can see any of the designs that they have created. Under this gear icon right here, click that and you can download any design in PNG, JPEG, or WebP format. WebP images are usually smaller in size, but it has the same quality as PNG and JPEG. They're actually suitable and best used for websites so that you have faster loading time for your pages. If you want to go to your Groove Designer Pro dashboard, simply click on the dashboard link right here, and then it will bring you to your Groove Designer Pro account. Now that you've installed your Groove Designer Pro Chrome extension, you can easily download any design to your local drive directly from your browser, even without having your Groove Designer Pro account open. You can also easily edit any design, click on any design that you would like, and it will automatically launch your Groove Designer Pro account in the image editor. That's how convenient it is to download and edit your designs with your Groove Designer Pro Chrome extension. Happy Groove Designing!